Good night. Welcome to Airbus. My name is Brian, and I am the recruitment coordinator. How are you today?
Good night. Thank you for the opportunity. I'm feeling calm and confident because I prepared well for this interview.
Great. Let's begin. Could you tell me about your last job and your main activities?
Of course, I worked as a psychologist in a private organization for 2 years. I was responsible for providing emotional support, conducting evaluation, and working with multidisciplinary teams. I always worked carefully and professionally.
Interesting. What skills did you develop in your previous job?
I developed strong communication skill, empathy, and solving abilities. I usually work effectively and patiently because dealing with people requires understanding and respect.
Airbus values teamwork. How do you work with other professionals?
I work very well with others. I communicate clearly, listen actively, and collaborate efficiently to achieve common goals.
Psychology can be demanding. How do you handle pressures at work?
I manage pressure well. I work calmly and constantly, and I organize my tasks carefully so I can make good decisions, even in difficult situations.
Why do you want to work for Airbus?
I want to work for Airbus because it is an international company and it cares about employees' mental health. I believe psychology is essential for well-being and productivity.
Good. Finally, how would you describe yourself as professional?
I am responsible, committed, and empathetic. I work efficiently, learn quickly, and only try to improve my professional performance.
Excellent. Thank you for your time. We will
Thank,
contact you soon.
thank you very much.